Samsung is getting ready to roll out a big update for its flagship lineup, and the One UI 8.5 beta for the Galaxy S24 series is already creating a lot of excitement. Even though the beta isn't officially live yet, the full changelog has already leaked, giving us a very clear idea of what's coming. This update is based on Android 16 PR2 and brings a mix of design changes, smarter features, and useful improvements across the system. And honestly, some of these upgrades look very practical for everyday use. One of the biggest highlights is the improvement in Galaxy AI features. There's a new continuous image generation option inside Photo Assist. This means you can keep generating AI images without saving each version one by one. Once you're done, you can go back and choose your favorite. It makes the whole creative process faster and more flexible. Samsung is also upgrading Bixby. Now you can talk to it more naturally, and it will better understand what you're trying to do. You don't have to use exact commands anymore. Just say what you need, and it should find the right setting or feature. It can also answer questions instantly, and even save your conversation history so you can check it later. Connectivity is getting smarter too. A new feature called Storage Share lets you access files from your Samsung phone, tablet, PC, or even your TV directly inside the My Files app. It basically connects your devices in a more seamless way. There's also a faster way to connect to Smart View displays, thanks to a new shortcut option. Quick Share is also improved. Now you can block unwanted sharing requests by limiting access to your own accounts. Plus, it can suggest people to share photos with by recognizing faces in your pictures, which makes sharing quicker and easier. When it comes to customization, the home and lock screen are getting some nice upgrades. The lock screen can now automatically adjust wallpapers, so that important parts of the image aren't covered by clocks or widgets. On top of that, you can customize clock fonts more deeply by adjusting their thickness. The weather experience is also getting better. The widget now shows a graph for upcoming rain, and there's even a pollen index to help users manage allergies. Small additions like these can actually make a big difference in daily life. The clock app is becoming more useful too. You can now wake up to an alarm screen that shows the current weather. There's also a new time zone slider, making it easier to compare times across different locations. Samsung Health is getting a big upgrade as well. Weekly reports now include more detailed data like medication tracking and mindfulness sessions. You can also create custom workout posts by combining stats with photos, which is perfect for sharing on social media. Even better, you can start meditation sessions directly from your Galaxy Watch without touching your phone. Security and privacy are also improved. There's a new theft protection feature that locks your phone automatically after too many failed unlock attempts. Another option lets you temporarily turn off auto blocker, and it will switch back on automatically after 30 minutes. Battery settings are now redesigned, making it easier to understand usage and remaining time. Power saving mode is also improved, giving you more control with standard and maximum options depending on your needs. Accessibility features have been expanded too. You can now control Bluetooth hearing aids more easily and use better magnification tools with a mouse or keyboard. These changes make the phone more user-friendly for everyone. There are also many small but useful upgrades. You get direct voicemail, more control over the quick settings panel, early reminder alerts, and even partial screen recording so you can capture only what you need. The calculator can now suggest copied formulas, and Samsung DeX will remember your app window sizes. Overall, this update feels like a solid improvement rather than a flashy overhaul. It focuses on making everyday tasks easier, smarter, and more efficient. As for release timing, the beta program for the Galaxy S24 series could start very soon. And if these features make it to the final version, One UI 8.5 might end up being one of Samsung's most useful updates yet.